Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Zavilas and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis of the stocks of Canada, UK and USA, and I also upload my daily analysis on 10 Forex currency pairs. And please do not mind, I do not have any professional setup. You'll be hearing background noises and all because I do not get time to edit my videos also. So I'm extremely sorry for that. So anyways, let's get back to the video, to main content. So today I have a list of stocks that you need to keep your eyes. Okay. So the first stock is TC Energy. Okay. So I have drawn two levels here. The last traded price is 56.86. Okay, and the levels that we need to look today is 56.11. Okay, if you find suppose TC Energy opens below 57.23, and if you find TC Energy somewhere around this range and comes down and hits this particular level of 56.13 or one level, then you just see whether it is how is the selling pressure. Okay, if the selling pressure is too high, then it will give you a breakout towards the downside or a breakdown. Okay, and if the selling pressure is not high, if then it will give a support to the stock. Okay, if it bounces from here, if you spot reversal like this or price rejection from below, then you can go ahead and buy. And if you see that no, the selling pressure is too high, and if it gives a breakdown, then it's a seller's market, then you can short the market if you like. Okay, and on the other hand, you can buy above 57.23 level. Okay, suppose if it opens here and moves towards the upside, and after hitting the level of 57.23, if it give you a reversal, okay, do not short the market, just wait. Okay, do not short it immediately. And if it succeeds in giving a breakout, okay, if it succeeds in breaking the level, then let the stock sustain above 57.2 level for 10 15 20 minutes. Okay, let the resistance become the support. Okay, when this resistance will become the support, then that will be the area of value, and then you can go ahead and buy. Your target will be 58, but before that, no, you can buy here if you spot reversal. You can buy here if you get a breakout. Okay, and if it goes down, then you can short the market, but the selling pressure should be high, the volume should be good enough. Okay, the next stock is uh, like I said yesterday, you can buy just above this level. Again, I'll say that it is in beautiful uptrend. Okay, so if you get the stock on the 50 period moving average, then you can buy. Okay, if you spot reversal from 50 period moving average, this is a 50 period moving average, you can also apply this indicator in your own trading platform. Okay, if you spot reversal from the 50 period moving average, then it's a buy. Okay, and you can, if you're looking for a zone or if you're looking for a price level, then this will be a price level for today. 111.60. If it opens below sorry, if it opens between 110, let's say 111. Okay, if it opens between 111 and 111.60, if it opens somewhere around here, and if it crosses, then you can buy, and if it goes down, do not sell. Okay, this is not a seller's market, this is a buyer's market, so you should not sell. Okay, only buy if it crosses this line, and if you get the stock on this 50 period moving average, then also you can buy, but it should be good. The same concept applies here also, the Bank of Montreal stock. Okay, this stock is also in a beautiful uptrend. Okay, you can, if you spot reversal sign from this 50 period moving average, then you can buy. Okay, but the reversal should be good and convincing enough. And today if you find uh, Bank of Montreal or BMO above 102.18, this green line, then also you can buy. Okay, if it opens above this, but do not buy right away. Okay, let it trade above the level, okay, above this green line for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Let it trade comfortably above 102.14 level, then you can go ahead and buy. Otherwise, uh, wait, give time. Okay, do not sell the stock. If you find it somewhere around here, do not sell the stock. If you find a stock taking support at the 50 period moving average, then also it's a good position to execute a trade. And if you'll remember how I always tell, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you'll understand. I always tell that market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility. Okay, and I always told you to keep your eyes open on Suncore, and probably you all know it very well how beautiful the move was. See, this was the zone I drew before. And see how beautiful the move was. So this was the lower volatile zone, and market moved from lower volatility to higher volatility. So if your concepts are very clear, then this kind of trades are not impossible. This kind of trades are quite easy. You just need to keep your eyes open. Again, similar thing happened with CDN natural also. Market was in lower volatile zone, and after that, just see market how beautiful the up move was. Market move from lower volatility to higher volatility. Okay, so this stock is in downtrend, Rogers Communication. So what you can do, okay, again, so today if you find a stock below 55.03 level or this level, okay, you can short this stock. If you find a stock taking resistance, okay, at this 50 per moving average, suppose this stock move, every stock will move uh, upward a bit. Okay, whenever you see that the stock will be going up, okay, just wait for the stock to get some reversal or get some rejection from the 50 pair moving average. If you see that, okay, after moving up a little bit, the stock is getting reversal or price rejection from above, from the 50 pair moving average, you can short it. Okay, it's a simple. Okay, sell on rise market. Okay, again see CVE in this stock also, market move from lower volatility to higher volatility. Okay, see how beautiful up move was. And if you know how this thing worked, then probably you would have made great money. Let me take you to the last stock for a day. Bosch companies. Okay, right now this stock is in the consolidation phase, and this stock is right now consolidating. Okay, the volatility is very low, so keep your eyes open on this stock. I have already shown you the power of volatility, how market moves from higher volatility to lower volatility, and lower volatility to higher volatility. So right now this stock is in lower volatile zone. Keep your eyes open. Okay, you'll get some good moves in this stock also. Okay, so keep your eyes open in this stock. So that's it for today, and hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, you can check out my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.